All right, Pinchy, my little bucket of badness. Time to feast yourself.
Now that's better.
Cinders and ashes, it's Diesel!
Diesel, no! Hello, Twinkle Toes. I got a plan, and you're not in it.
You can't catch me, Diesel.
Losing your sparkle, huh? What perfect timing. Now, where is that lost engine?
You won't find her here.
You're not clever enough to stop me.
Oh, yes, I am.
No, you're not. What is that?
That's right, it's sugar, Diesel. And if I throw this in your tank, it'll seize you up for good.
Make the most of tonight, Twinkle Toes, because you won't like tomorrow.